In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a PSN gift card. Whether you're topping up your own balance or sending credit to a friend, the process is quick and straightforward when you know what to look for. Start by heading to the official PlayStation website or a trusted retailer you already know. Sticking to reputable sources helps you avoid counterfeit cards and delayed deliveries. Once you're on the site, look for the PlayStation Store gift cards section. If you don't see it right away, use the site's search bar and type in PSN Gift Card or PlayStation Store Gift Card. That will bring up the product page where you can choose exactly what you need. Next, pick the card amount that fits your budget or the game purchase you have in mind. Common denominations are 10, 25, 50, and $100, though availability can vary by region. If you're unsure which amount to choose, consider what you plan to buy in the PlayStation Store and select the closest match to avoid leaving a small unused balance. Now decide how you want the card delivered. A digital code sent by email is the fastest option and is perfect for instant use. A physical card mailed to you is ideal if you need something you can wrap or hand to someone. Keep in mind that physical delivery takes longer, while digital delivery can be near instant after payment is processed. Before you add the card to your cart, pay careful attention to the account region. A US card will only work with a US PlayStation Network account, and a UK card must be used on a UK account. Double-check the region and currency to match your PSN account settings. This is crucial to avoid redemption issues later. When you're ready, proceed to checkout. Enter your email address for a digital code or your shipping address for a physical card. Then add your payment details. Make sure your information is accurate and spelled correctly so your order isn't delayed. It's a good idea to review your order summary one more time, confirming the card amount, delivery type, and region. Click Buy or Checkout to finalize. After payment, keep the confirmation page or receipt for your records. For digital orders, watch your inbox for the code and check your spam or promotions folder if it doesn't appear right away. For physical cards, keep an eye on shipping updates. That's all there is to it. Simple, secure, and ready for your next PlayStation purchase.